Welcome to Reviews Heaven, where we bring you the best product reviews to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best bread makers on the market. From the versatile Elite Gourmet and feature-packed KBS to the compact Neretva, each of these machines offers unique features for perfect homemade bread. We'll explore their standout functions, ease of use, and why they deserve a spot in your kitchen. If you're ready to elevate your baking game, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more top-notch reviews. Let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. Now, we're taking a closer look at the Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine, model CBK 110P1. This compact and automatic bread maker promises superior crust, color, and texture for your homemade bread. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, this bread maker is fully automatic and incredibly easy to use. Whether you're craving a light, medium, or dark crust, the Cuisinart Bread Maker has you covered. It can bake loaves up to 2 pounds, perfect for families or small gatherings. Its vertical baking pan design saves counter space, making it ideal for any kitchen. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan ensure easy cleanup after each use. Plus, the lid features a viewing window and an interior light, so you can monitor your bread as it bakes. One of the standout features is the 13-hour delay start timer. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly baked bread. The easy-to-read LED display and bake-only option add to the convenience, making baking bread simpler than ever. From gluten-free and artisan breads to jams and sauces, this versatile bread maker offers foolproof recipes for a variety of tastes. It even comes with a power failure backup and is BPA-free, ensuring safety and reliability. The Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine, with its stainless steel exterior and compact design, is the perfect addition to any kitchen. With a limited 3-year warranty, it's a reliable choice for fresh, homemade bread anytime. Give it a try and experience the convenience and deliciousness it brings. Number 2. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker can create a perfect 2-pound loaf of bread every time. It features a variety of healthy course settings, including multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan options. The large, easy-to-read LCD display and convenient key code on the lid make selecting your desired course a breeze. Equipped with double kneading blades, this bread maker ensures thorough dough kneading for superior results. The dual heaters on the bottom and lid promote even baking and browning, giving you that perfectly browned crust every time. For those in a hurry, the rapid course allows you to bake a loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. Imagine having freshly baked bread ready in such a short time. This versatile bread maker also offers 3 crust shades: light, medium, and dark. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different types of bread, from multigrain to gluten-free and even vegan. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is not just about performance, but also convenience. The 13-hour delay timer allows you to wake up or come home to the aroma of freshly baked bread. With its easy-to-clean non-stick bread pan and included accessories, baking has never been easier. Whether you're a novice or an expert, the Zojirushi Bread Maker is your go-to for perfect homemade bread every time. Number 3. Neretva Bread Maker Machine. The Neretva Bread Maker offers 20 pre-programmed menu options, including quick bread, gluten-free, French whole wheat, pizza dough, and even jam. With 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, and loaf sizes from 1.5 to 2 pounds, it's perfect for any family. This machine is designed for convenience. It automatically mixes and kneads ingredients using a kneading paddle, and the digital LCD display makes programming a breeze. The large viewing window lets you watch the entire baking process. The Neretva Bread Maker also features a 15-hour delay timer and a 1-hour automatic keep warm function, so you can have fresh bread ready whenever you want. Its 360-degree double tubes heating promotes even heat circulation for perfectly baked bread every time. Cleaning up is easy with the non-stick pan and machine-washable kneading paddle, measuring cup, and measuring spoon. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy fresh bread without the hassle. The Neretva Bread Maker Machine combines creativity and practicality in a compact design. With a 1-year warranty and quick customer service response, it's a reliable addition to your kitchen. Try it out and elevate your home baking experience. Number 4. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. The KBS Bread Maker offers a range of customized nutritious programs, from French and whole wheat to pizza dough and gluten-free options. With 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark, and loaf sizes from 1 to 2 pounds, this machine brings variety to your homemade bread. One of the standout features is its unique non-stick ceramic pan, which ensures even baking without any chemicals like BPA, Teflon, or PTFE. The powerful 710W motor is both strong and quiet, operating at less than 40 decibels. It's perfect for kneading soft, elastic dough without disturbing your peace. The intelligent fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at the optimal time, so you don't have to. With a 15-hour delay timer and a 1-hour automatic keep warm function, you can enjoy fresh bread anytime. Plus, it has a 15-minute power interruption recovery, ensuring your baking process is uninterrupted. The sleek stainless steel design is not only durable but also stylish. The 360-degree surrounding baking technology ensures your bread has a thinner crust and fluffier interior, with an evenly healthy color. The KBS Bread Maker Machine also comes with a variety of practical accessories, including a recipe book, measuring cups, and more, to enhance your baking experience. With its ETL certification and a 2-year warranty, you can trust in its quality and durability. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker. This versatile bread maker simplifies the process of baking fresh, homemade bread. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker features 19 pre-programmed menu options, making it easy to create a variety of doughs and breads. From basic white and whole wheat to gluten-free and even pizza dough, this machine has you covered. You can bake up to a 2-pound loaf with this machine. Choose from 3 different loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds, to suit your needs. The crust color is also customizable, with light, medium, and dark settings available. The 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function give you maximum control over your baking schedule. Wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread or come home to a warm loaf at the end of a long day. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker takes care of kneading, rising, and baking for you, freeing up your oven and reducing kitchen heat. It's perfect for busy chefs who want to enjoy preservative-free homemade bread without the hassle. As a trusted brand for over 40 years, Elite Gourmet delivers high-quality and user-friendly kitchen products. This bread maker is no exception. It comes with an instruction manual, tips, and recipes to help you get started. That concludes our review of the top 5 best bread makers. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. We hope you found the perfect bread maker for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more top product reviews. Happy baking, and see you in the next video.